What's up, guys? Yeah, no, yeah, it started. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a match the pairs game in none other than Scratch. So I'm going all over Scratch now. Latest tutorials on Scratch only, but never mind. It's actually a very well. I mean, like very good language, very well made, and like I love it. So I'm gonna show you like how to make it today, and here is a sample of the game. So I'm starting this. Let me just try this. Yeah, so this is what we'll be making, and it's completely mobile responsive. So we'll again, as we did in the last video, we are going to be uploading this. I mean, we are going to make this into an app and download it on our phones. This is what we did in the last video after making our snake and ladders game, and like it's actually like very much responsive, and I still use it a lot, literally. So there is some problem when like we complete this, when the project is like totally over. There is a little bit problem which we will be fixing in this video. And just give me a second, I'll show you what the problem is. And this done. So
You took 0 seconds.
it says you took 0 seconds, but it displays 52 seconds. So that's the thing we'll be fixing
Lot.
today. Just a sec. And okay, anyone watching? Okay, two people are watching right now. So let us get right into it. And yeah, if you want to try this game, all you have to do is paste this link in your web browser, and I'm just pinning this so that control W, so that everyone can see it. Pin message. Okay, so three people are watching now. Fine. So my screen is shared and all good till now. Okay, okay, three people watching. So to dive into the code first, the first thing we need to do is open our website or app. I'm using the website to so that you guys can actually view the project and all those stuff. Let's click on create project. Okay, just give it a sec to load, and it has loaded. Mm, Now after this, we can like we don't need to delete the sprite, and that's actually a good thing for us. And like, cause oh, yeah, just a sec. So let me just rename the project right now. Just a sec. There's some problem. Not able to like actually type anything. What's happening? Let me reload the page. Come on, like literally. Okay, good. So now I can match the pairs YouTube tutorial. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay. So you guys can head on and subscribe to our channel until I'm just like doing some setup right now. Just give me a sec. Okay, so everything's ready. Like there was some problem, so I was just fixing that. Now that everything's all good, I can again continue with the project. So what really fascinates me in the start is the designing. So let's just do that. So the number first thing you have to do is the second costume for the sprite, and after that, just select everything, click on group, and decrease the size of this. Okay, now that that's done, we can like get this aligned to the center over here, or let's just increase the size a little bit. Okay, I just got received a message from my sister. She says she's seeing in our my stream right now, and let's align this. That's it. Now after that, all I want to do is draw a square around this. It shouldn't have any kind of a border or something, but we can just like set the size, the weight to uh, 15, so that like it's all good right now. And once that's done, we don't need to hold shift and do it. We can just do it like that. Okay, now I think 15 will be too much. Let's change it to 10. That's good, I guess. Just a sec. Okay, so she's saying it. Nice. Could actually invite you, but okay, no, my screen is not shared. Why? Oh, I don't want to repeat all the instructions once again, but never mind. I'll have to do it. So, all we can do right now is like first decrease the size of the sprite, then draw a simple box around it, such so that like it looks all good and all those stuff. What's this noise? Let me just mute this site. So, guys, why are the comments so empty? Like, fill the comments right away. Come on, why are the comments so empty? Come on. The well, I'm not signed in. Am I? Sign out. Sign in. There was some problem. I'm sorry, guys. What? Okay, no, fine. Project saved. Thank God. So anyway, we need to start everything all over again. So we can just do it. So first, delete the second costume. Don't mind the background noise if you can hear it. Um, Let me mute this website. It's kind of annoying me now. So I'm just decreasing the size a little bit over here. Around this much should be good. And let's stick it over here. And after that's done, we need a square over here. And we want no fill for this, but an outline of 10. Uh, just let me know in the comments if you guys are able to hear the background noise. Uh, so like I'll just draw this box around it. Size decrease a bit. Okay, that's it. And we'll duplicate this, but this time we are going to remove our cat. Okay, now what's wrong? I don't want control shift I mode. Delete, 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 delete. Can you guys hear the background noise? Just let me know in the comments, please. Okay, only two are watching. So don't know what, don't know what's wrong. Just a sec. Okay, so I think everything's ready. Just a sec. So now we are just filling this with a blue color. Feel free to choose whatever color you want. What the hell is this sound? Why isn't this website getting muted? Ah, good. And let's get the border also with that color. Nope. I think I should delete this for now and really select this whole thing. Decrease the size. Nope. Control Z. What is this annoying sound? Discord close. Like actually like, do this much. Drag this to the center. That's it. And after this, like, okay, sorry, I didn't notice I got muted. So after this, we'll just group our scratch cat and drag it to exact center. Now duplicate the sprite, delete the scratch cat. Just a sec, I think I'll fill this with a pitch blue color like that. Get this done. And same thing over here. I think that's good enough for now. And you know what? The code for this thing like remains. Just a sec. There's something wrong. Just a sec. Nope. Yeah, everything's good. Yeah. So the code for every sprite is the same, so we don't really have any problem like that. And just that we need to, change the stuff. So I'll name this one cat, and this just duplicate once again. Cat 2. Nice. That's what we needed right now. And okay, let's duplicate this. And this one, instead of the scratch cat, this time we'll be doing something else. Let us pick something, shall we? You guys can choose whatever you want. I'm thinking I'll choose Apple. Apple a day keeps doctor away. Control X. And we can delete this one. Just Control V it here. This, and noise. So this one we'll call Apple. Duplicate the sprite to Apple 2. Duplicate this once again, and this time again we need to choose something else. So the comments are very empty, guys. Why is it like that? Come on, get some comments. Okay, let's continue. Mm, okay, not apple, bananas, banana. Ah, yeah. Now Control X, delete the sprite. Control V. Now we need to again change the size of the sprite and drag it to the center. Okay, good. Just a sec. From Apple 3, I think we need to change this now to banana. Just a sec, guys. I think we are doing something wrong, and that I have caught it. We need to fill the background with white. Okay, let's immediately fill all the backgrounds white in the first costume, that is noise. Now we can easily drag it anywhere we want, and I'm just doing this for development purposes. You guys can like do anything you want. Come on, like literally only I'm doing the stream right now, no one else is watching. Come on, get the comments in. Why only am I watching this? Hey, get the banana over here. Okay. Um, card size. I think. Okay, I'm a little confused on what should I keep the card size really. Um, hmm. Actually, it's kind of confusing to keep the card size. I think card size should be 60, and we'll just do that in our stage immediately when flag clicked. So we'll just create a variable so that everything is easy. Let's just delete the my variable, and over here just create another variable and we'll call this card size, and we'll set we don't need any display right now. We'll set the card size to 60, and now in our cat we'll do when flag clicked, and in looks we have the option to set our size to something, and we will set the size to the card size right now. Okay, just a sec. Let's get the heck out of this. So don't mind that, I was just simply trying to do some other dinosaur things. Hmm. Okay, let's continue now. The card size has been set to 60%. Now we can just copy paste this to everything. Okay, and again this one also. This one also. Okay, so if we just run our project, oh guys, what the hell? So not 60, 70. Still small. 80. Scale increasing. We need more. 95. Okay, I think that's good. So you guys like just try the live demo over here with the link you got. Okay, only I'm watching, and that's something very sad. Come on, guys. You guys have to like increase my number of viewers, otherwise I'm gonna stop the stream immediately. Come on. Why are we doing this? I'm just doing this for you guys. Come on, just do it immediately, please. Okay, so one of my channels it says like I'm streaming. Okay, never mind, never mind. So almost done. Uh, no, almost like not nearly that much, that close. So let's continue. So next up, what we need to do is create more sprites, and we need the banana too. So just duplicate this again, duplicate, and this time remove the banana. Wait, what? So select the bananas, this banana also, and now we need to set another sprite over here. You guys are free to draw your own sprite also. Like I'm just doing something batty, I guess. Control X. Wait, first let's group this and then Control X. Delete this sprite over here. In the costume, Control V, and we need to change this a lot. Nah, still not fitting more. Actually, kind of fun to see. Like, okay, the wings are like actually. Huh, never mind. It's the wings that's the problem. But we never like fear, cause you know there's no such problem like that. Okay, so she's still seeing it, but I can't see any other viewers. Why? Come on, guys. Play fair. Camera off. So this one we'll keep name as Bat. Okay. Now we're going to duplicate this sprite to Bat 2. Again, we are going to duplicate it again, but this time it's not going to be a bat. Let's just remove our bat. And again, find a new sprite over here. And this sprite over here, I think I am going to choose a butterfly. It's something I chose the last time also. Let's group this. Control X. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, it's been grouped. Control X. I'm gonna increase. Okay, I control it. Sorry, wrong costume. So let's just decrease the size like that much, and again drag this. Okay, it's still bigger. Again, smaller, and nope, still big, small. Yeah, we have done it, and let's just change the name to butterfly. And again over here, let's duplicate it. Guys, the fun thing about this is we are only going to code in one sprite and we're going to copy paste the whole code in all the sprites. That's the fun part. So just like and like a little bit of stage coding and the like thing we did over here, the griffin. Even that's needed, right? Okay, how many people are actually viewing this? No one, like literally. Why? Why? Code sticks. Okay. Okay, who is Codistix. I am only Codistix learn with Naman and it's my other account, so never mind. But like I actually like expected more people to view this. But never mind, never mind. The show must go on. So we have the butterfly too, and let's duplicate this, and we don't need the butterfly anymore as usual. And let's set a new sprite over here. We are gonna call. You guys are free to do whatever you want, like literally. Um, I am going to do. Hmm. Earth. Okay. Kind of silly, but yeah. Control, Control Z. Set everything. Group this. Control X. And paste it. Decrease the size like anything. Get to the center. It's where is that thing? Okay, it's there and it's centered. Let's see if I can increase the size a bit. Okay, nice. So we'll name this Earth. Come on, guys. Corona is not bad. It's helped to make our Earth better. So I duplicate it, and after that, instead of the Earth, let's have say kind of difficult, Uh, choosing things. It's like difficult for me. I don't know about you guys. Let's have a ghost. Spooky skeleton. Scary spooky skeleton. A song, okay. Control A. Control Shift Tab. Control V. Group this. Control X. Uh, like, um, so after this, let me just control that. I think there was some problem. Yeah. Control A. Now we're going to group this and Control X. After that, we're going to delete our sprite and Control V. Then we're going to decrease the size of this. Get to the center. Yep, got it. So let's just call this ghost. So how many sprites have we got? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 14 sprites till now. I think 18 should be good enough. And like, okay, so ghost 2 is also there. Let's duplicate this one also. And this time again, as usual, we are removing the ghost and we're adding a new sprite over here, and we are going to call this sprite. Hmm, nah, no grasshopper. Okay, guys, you guys can choose whatever you want. Let me go for lightning. Harry Potter. Group Control X. I'm a big Potterhead. Ask you whatever question of Potter you want in the comments, and I'm going to answer everything right. Guys, subscribe to the channel immediately. Okay, we hardly have any comments. In fact, we only have myself in the comments. Okay, so that's lightning. Okay, so duplicate this. Now we have 16 of them. Okay. Well, last time I had 18, so I think I should do 18 in this one also. Okay, so going ahead. Which one should we choose, guys? And this is gonna be one of the last. Uh, Strawberry. Okay, set everything. Group this. Control X. Delete the costume. Control V. Uh, yeah, after Control V, just change the size. Okay, so I just hope that the code that we had before came to all. Nice. The code's there for everything. And oh yeah, I forgot to rename this. Let's call this strawberry. And let's duplicate it. Okay, so now that that's done, the first thing we need to do is jumble up everything, right? Okay, so for that, oh yeah, right, I forgot about one thing. Um, Before we do all that, of course, like at the starting, everything should be in like um the blue color mode. So for that, uh, when flag clicked command, we are adding to everything. Like when flag clicked, um, we are going to create another variable which is available for everything, and we are going to set this to face up. No, not available for everything. Available only for this sprite. And okay, we are in the strawberry. Okay, never mind. I think I should code in the cat because it will be better. When flag click. Okay, come on over here. So when flag clicks, another face up variable for the sprite. Face up, and after this we are going to like set the face up variable to no. To no. Okay. After this we are going to switch to the costume too, and then our costume is, I mean our sprite is anyways to the card size. And okay, so next up we need to create a variable, and this variable is called name. So let's go to our variables and create a variable, and this is only for the sprite. So name. Okay, so let's hide everything. Okay, and our name to cat. So set name to cat. Okay, and once that's done, we are going to show it, and we are doing it in the like one in over here, because over here we are doing another thing. Okay, so over here we are adding a forever loop. Yeah, now it's coming out. Well, I mean from this account really. Switch account. Go with the. Okay, that's it. So we're streaming for 27 minutes and we hardly have any viewers. Very sad. So first thing we are going to do is go to our stages. I mean stage, not stages, sorry. And after that we are going to create a min x variable. So I think we should first create all the variables meaning. So min x, x, no, min x means the minimum x value. Then we'll the minimum y value, so min y. Then we'll need the step of the x value, so step x and the step of y value. Next up we need the maximum x number, so max x, then max y. Okay, at last we'll need few more, so number of pairs found and number of cards up and total number of pairs. Total number of pairs. Alright, no comments again. Very sad. Okay, total number of pairs and all these stuff are done. Okay, so next up we'll be needing a list, and that list is called cards up. So I'll make a list cards up. Okay, so everything looks kind of untidy, so I'll just hide everything right now. So the minimum x, which is for all sprites. Okay, right. First, before that, let's just do the one of the main things. We are going to delete everything of cards up, And next up, we are going to set the minimum x value. Where's the min x? Yep, minimum x value to negative 200 minus 200. Then maximum x value, sorry, maximum minimum y value. What am I telling here? To minus 140. Then we need to set the step of the x value to 70. You guys have any question, you better join the Discord server from the link given. Yeah, step x to 70, I guess. Yeah, 70. Step y of 100. Okay. Duplicate. Step y of uh, yeah, 100. Then we need the maximum x number of phi and maximum y number of mm, max y, max x, and maximum y number of 2. Okay, and then we just set the number of cards up to 0. Wait, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, yeah, 18. So next up we set the number of cards that are up to 0. Number of cards up, we set this to 0. Then we set the number of like pairs that are found, that also to 0. And at last we set the like the total number of pairs to 9. The total number of pairs. Okay, so now that that's done, let's continue, so let's go to a cat and do the coding for a cat right now. So the default when it starts, it's like always, to costume 2. So first let me just code like the few things of this, and then I'll come on with this. So we are going to set our x value. Let me come to the motion. So set x to we need the operators. We need uh, the plus operation first. Okay, it's kind of difficult to remember all this. And inside the plus operation, the second operator we'll have the multiplication. Mm, and over here we go to variables and fill the first operator of the plus with the minimum x value we have. Okay, and then the like first value of our multiplication, we again need one of these operators, and 0, and the first one will need 0, and the second one maximum x number, max x, and multiplied by the step x. Now we can just copy this, duplicate, and back to our motion sensors and set y. So we'll fill this over here and then right click the min x and change it to min y, and then change this what is it, this is maximum x, right? So maximum y, and wait just a sec, yeah, fine. So and the last one to step y, and then like we just say if we are not touching the color of our just a sec, let me just change it to the second one. So well sensing, yeah, oh no, wait, first we need this. If we are not touching the color, we are going to choose a color, which is this. We can never be so sure, right? Then if we are not touching that, then only we are going to stop our script, stop this script specifically, stop this script. Okay, and that's it for this one. So we can just, drag this to the others also. All right, all right. What would have fascinated me was if wait, do we have it in Apple 2 or even Apple 1? Okay, Apple 1 has it, and Apple 2 doesn't. Okay, so let's just transfer this to Apple 2. What did this get? Yeah, banana, banana, bat, other bat, butterfly. Sometimes gets difficult to drag all these scripts, so just copy paste it. Will be also another option. Okay, butterfly is done. Earth, the other earth. Okay, just check the earths. Okay, ghost. Where are the ghosts? Who let the ghost sound? I mean, one of my friends told me about. Second ghost is also done. Then we need to fill the lightning. And one of the lightnings is done. Get the other lightning also done for. Strawberry. If you're wondering how I scroll down, like just hold it and like scroll down. Get the strawberry first. And then like the last other strawberry. Okay. I told you this can actually be a pain sometimes. So like everything has it. Let me hide this list variable. I mean the cards up. What? Like actually. Okay, now that looks like a bug to me. Hmm. Let's stop our scripts. Set y to min y plus pick random 0 to max y and multiplied by step y. Set the x to minimum of x plus pick random 0 to max number multiplied by step x. And if we are not touching the blue color, which we actually have, then only we are going to stop this script. Okay, kind of weird. Okay, very weird. So this is kind of confusing for me. Hmm. Uh, you know what? Uh, Even I don't have a solution for this because the last time I did this, it was all good. So if you're not touching the, uh, so let me just try this once. Mm, Wait, just a sec. If we are touch, uh, if we are touch, I need the else one also. The if else block. If we are actually touching this, then we'll do nothing else. We'll stop the script. Bruh, weird, very weird. What are the stage commands? Okay, so our stage says, mm, just a sec, let's check with the previous code also once. Okay, delete all of cards up, set score to 0, card size 60. Okay, I think I should give a try like this also on 80. Bruh, actually, set size to card size to 80 not working, huh? Okay, that's very weird, because this actually worked for me. Hmm, get this out of here. Wow, it actually worked when I again tried with 80 and That's the amazing thing, guys. So like, I was actually thinking of ending this tutorial right now because of this bug, but now I think we can go on. What's wrong with that? Okay, nice. Okay, so after that's done, um, we need to add the sensors for these, and we'll do that in just a second. So as we did over here in our cat over here, see the first thing we did was like we'll set these up, and then like if we actually clicked, then we are going to like change the size and all, I mean like change the size and create a function and those stuff. So that's what we are going to do over here. Okay, so give me a sec. uh so the first thing, let's go to our events category and drag out the when this sprite clicked blog, no block, and then call this block flip the card or flip card. And when our sprite is actually clicked, we are going to trigger the flip card. Okay, and the flip card is kind of long, so we'll just get it this side. And in our flip card, we need to repeat something 5 times, and that is, wait just a second, repeat 5 times. We are going to change our size by -10. Where's the size? Yeah, change size by -10 or -10 basically. Then we are going to switch to the next costume, and again we are going to repeat this 5 times, and this time without the change next costume, and change this 10 times. Okay, so let me just give another try. Wait, which one were we in? We were in banana. Okay, let me just try trigger this. Okay, it's over there. So I'm just giving this a try. All right, there. Okay, so trigger. See how cool is that, guys? And that's what we actually needed. Now that it's there, like more than half of the coding has been done, like literally more than half. Now we hardly need to add anything, and after that we are going to just do where's the face up thing. Wait, okay, I think we forgot to do one thing. No, yeah, we didn't. The face up, I forgot about that. Yeah, we set it over there. So if our face up is actually equal to yes, so we'll go to our operators category and drag this and get the variable out of here, and it's face up. Get this over here, and it's actually yes for now. But if it's like, I mean it's no, but if it's yes, so I think I should change the names over here. Face down. Never mind. Control Z Z. But I think I'm comfortable with costume one, costume two only. So switch to costume two. The face down, and like, okay, I forgot. I think we needed the if else statement in this instead of only the if statement. So get the if else out of it. It's been a long time since I used that. I just have a habit of using only the if statement, and then like in the else statement just put it at a, like put another if statement, but that's not the case of Python or anything like that. If else if basic elif and else. Okay, let's continue. So then we are going to set the face up. Oh no, yeah, this, yeah, face up to no, and then we are going to set the number of cards up. The number of cards up to, like, no way. I think we need to change it by -1, -1, and then trigger the else statement. Like In the else statement, what is triggered is like we are going to switch our costume to the like if our to our face up thing. So let me just do it. Switch to costume one, and rather than that, I can just copy this like this and set our face up to yes. Set this to costume one and wait, change number of cards up, not card size. I'm very sorry. Number of cards up. Number of cards up by one. Okay, so let's get the number of cards up over here. And when we run this once again, yep, it has loaded as a banana. Okay, that's a problem. It's on the side. One, zero, one, zero, one, zero. How cool is that, guys? We actually have it. And after this whole process has been run, um, we are going to add an if statement. And this is an if statement after the whole thing is done. So if our number of cards up are two, um, if the number of cards up are two, then we are going to broadcast a message called two cards are up. So where's the number of cards? Yep, got it. And then we are going to just broadcast this a new message. Number of cards up. Sorry, two cards up. Sorry, two cards up. Hi, hello. On your camera, bro. Do face reveal with the live stream. The project is working. Yeah, fine. Yes, Poor Gamers Point. I know it's working fine and all those stuff. Okay, you want me to on my camera? Like, I have been on. I've turned it on for a long time and I'm starting for a few minutes and all those stuff. So let's continue now. So after we broadcast the two cards up thing, we need to go back to our stage. And in our stage, we are going to do some things. And like, uh, just a sec. Yeah, back. So in our stage, when we are going to receive that our two of our cards are up, we are going to delete every single thing of our cards up and then broadcast we check if face up. So yeah, got it. So new message, check if face up. Okay, so Sarvesh Kumar over here says on your camera. I'm sorry, you have called me multiple times and like I have continuously declined. Just a sec. Okay, so now over here, don't mind the background noise if you can hear it. Sorry. So check if cards, if check if face up, and we are going to wait for 0.10 seconds. Which is the same value as zero point 0.1 only, but never mind. Makes more sense. And if we just add an, we need to add an if statement now, and we are going to do it by like this. If no, we need the operator. Sorry, operator not sensing. So if the item one of our cards up is the like same as check if if the same as like the second one, then we are going to trigger something, and that triggering we'll do now. Just a sec. Okay, I'm sorry. Where is it? item 1 of cards up is same as the um, item 2 of cards up, then our triggering will happen. Just a second. I'm coming back to see the comments first. Okay, Poke Gamers Point. Oh yeah, Poke Gamers Point. You said that you actually wanted to see my um Uno game, right? So it is actually fully ready and you can see it. Oh no, just a sec. I'll start the project and then I'll share my screen once again. Just give me a second and I will actually do it for you guys. Where my screen is still shared? Nope. It must be around here only. Mm, Okay, here, over here. So I'll be deploying this to both Heroku and to what do you say this thing? Netlify. On Heroku, I'll deploy the server, and on Netlify, I'll deploy the front end. Uh, Oops, Control C, CD into the client, and now I can do yarn run start and start. Okay, just give me a second, and I'll share my screen. So like Poke Gamers Point, it's your this is totally your thing. I'm sharing it because you very much requested me to share it. So I think you guys will be able to see it. It should be starting. The Axe script start it says. So it should be actually starting. Okay, the development server has been starting. Give it a sec. Give it a sec. Okay. Uh, Localhost 3000. So it's actually fully functional, and I will show you that later, not now. So hmm, yeah, that's good. So our server has been deployed and everything's good. So let me just create a game. Copy the code over here. Open new localhost 3000 and paste this. Control V and join the game. And our game has started, guys. So it's fine, okay. And this actually has all kinds of sounds, which is amazing. Like literally, you can actually chat also. Hi, this is MS Edge, and you can actually receive it over here. Hi, this is the other tab. How cool is that? So now I'm just where you can even turn off all kinds of sounds and that's the thing. And that's it. That's the amazing part of this. So like all on your um wish. For Gamers Point, I'm doing this. Just comment it down if you are actually able to see it, because I actually want to know very much. Okay, try again, please. Okay, I need to download this, and there's actually a full reason. Get out, come back. As expected, very much expected. For Gamers Point, just please tell it if you like the project, because uh, I showed it on your request only in the last video. Please, no response. Please, for Gamers Point. Banana. Oh, how about this? Okay, so I don't know what all changes has happened, so I'm just loaded from my PC, and just give me a second. Downloads. Uh, Open. Okay, I can see it. How was it? COVID-19 daily updates. Basically, Akshay Kumar. Even you can comment it out because when you were requesting it last time. Okay, but I'm not sure it's mobile friendly yet. But this one is very much mobile friendly. Let's continue. So over here now item, both of them are same. If both of them are same, we are going to trigger a function, and that function is we are going to broadcast hide the cards up. Wait, if they're same here. Where's events? Yep, broadcast hide cards up. Hide cards up, and after that we are going to just change the number of cards up and number of pairs found. So come back to the variables. It was lit. What do you mean by it was lit? Poke Gamers Point. What do you mean, Poke Gamers Point? I can't understand exactly. So anyway, let's continue. So okay, I'm sorry for the delay. Okay, thanks, Poke Gamers Point, for the kind word. So let's just set our the number of cards up to 0, and then we are going to set the number of pairs found to 1. No, sorry, not set. We are going to change it. Change number of pairs found by 1. And okay, no, come on. Why this again has to be an if else statement? Else, yep. Else we are going to broadcast that all, we are going to turn all the cards face down. So for that we are going to our events, and we are going to do um uh, turn all cards face down. Okay, so I'm doing this thing in the stage because doing it in any other thing would be like, okay, this thing has something extra and it's kind of weird. So stage is the only thing which will be the good choice for now, and the griffin will be done later. So okay, and then we are going to delete everything of our cards up. Delete all of cards up. Meanwhile, in our banana 2 right now, whose code I'll be copying later to everything, what I'm going to do is like when I'm going to receive check if the face is up, I'm going to actually like add the name check if the face is up. I'm going to like if face up, yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, sorry. If our face up is yes, mm, face up, yeah, it is yes. Then all we have to do is add. It's very simple. Okay, add the name which we have right now. Okay, so I'm just continuously like checking here and there, like in both things. So we have name in this, not in this. Okay, okay, it's all fine. So We call this banana. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, why? So we need a name only for this, right? And add name to this. Okay, so we are adding our name to cards up, and before that, when our flag is clicked, we want to set the name to banana. Set name to banana. Oh yeah, guys, and if you really like this project, you can also check out the link of the actual project we are going to be rebuilding in this video. And for that, I pin the link in the comments. You can just go ahead and check it out like this. Very simple. It's completely mobile friendly, and just do it. So this is the current game which we are making right now. Let's just continue. Set the name to banana, and we are going to add the name. Okay. Next up, uh, we also broadcasted an else statement in which we said in the else statement we also broadcasted another message which we said turn all the cards that are face up to down. That's what it actually meant, though the words were different. Turn all cards face down. Well, like one of the projects, I'm currently broadcasting message one, message two, message three, all kind of messages instead of making sensible messages. Okay, so now if again an if statement, if our face up is no, if our face up is no, we have to trigger the flip card. Not compulsorily while we click it really, but yeah, I think it's this, no this, no this, yeah. Okay, so just a sec once again. Okay, so for the disturbances, there's a whole house behind me, so camera off and all those stuff. Okay, so let us continue anyway. So that's a lot of code, hardly any actually. Then again, if we actually receive the hide cards up message, all we gotta do is if our face up is actually yes, or if our face up is yes, yeah, face up, yeah, face up, yes. Now what? Just a sec. Face up. Okay, it's specific to that way, that thing. Face up in this. Yes. There's a face up in everything. What about this? Okay, that's everything but the name. That's the problem. We have to change the name and all those stuff. Okay. So if face up is yes, all we want to do is hide ourselves. Um, and after that, set the face up to no. Set, where's the face up? Face up, face up, face up. Oh yeah, second only. And set this to no. Right? Then now to okay, no need to do anything after that. So that's it for the code, and let's just copy this code into you know what, I'm deleting the banana and changing this to only a simple banana, and again we duplicate this, the banana 2 is there. So let's run our whole code. Hmm, which one of you? Okay, see, that's the thing, that's the response. It has been more than 1 hour. Yeah, I know that's most of the time it goes on me muting and muting only. uh okay, let's continue. So that was the only code we required, guys. How cool is that? The literally the only code we required. Hmm. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so that was the whole problem all along. Let's show it. Banana 2. Need this to be next to banana. Okay, so show. Again add the show over here. Okay, cat. Come on, let's show you some moves. No, cat is already shown when the flag is triggered. What about you? No, you are not shown. You come get shown. Neither are you shown. Apple, come, I want to show you. Expose you to the public. Banana, banana 2, bat. Bat needs to be shown. Okay. Hmm. You know what I think would be more better to do? I think that I should have first done only the cat and then duplicated everything, changed all the names and you know like all the images. But now that the game's almost over, so never mind. This thing's like taking ages. I don't know for what reason. Show, show. Okay, show, show, show. Okay, I think that should be good now. Wow, that's amazing. Very beautiful. Nice. And now if we rerun this, yeah, all good, all good. Very well. Okay, so now that that's done, it's come to the hard part now. The hard part is to, yo, send the link. I sent the link in the chat already, and I think I should send it once again. Copy link address, Control V. What? No, 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 Control Z. Control A, delete. Okay, let's copy the link now. This is the whole link, all right. Mm, Control V, and I'll remove the slash editor. There's the whole link, and you can actually view it. But this is the YouTube tutorial, so I'm not sharing this. But though I share the Sneaky Ladder one. Okay, so I'll continue now. So it's time to do the hard part. By hard I actually mean it's time to do something like get all get this long code in all the things, and like I'm kind of lazy. I want to do the shortcuts. Wh- You guys can also follow me with this shortcut. The name thing, I'll do it. Don't worry. I'm not going to follow too many shortcuts. Noise. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Huh, fine. Not going too much into shortcuts, alright. Okay, and now when why did I? Yup. So set name to cat, alright. Hmm, it's time to do it in this one, okay. Nope, not that one. Yeah, this. Okay, Flipkart, then this one. Okay, then that. Face up is this. Nope. Check your face up when sprite clicked. Turn all cards down. This is turn all cards down. Okay. Okay. Then only this is left. Okay. Okay. I'm going to create a variable. All right, and make a variable for this sprite only, and call this cat. Okay, good game. Even I made one like this for a different one. Okay, Shreyas, sure. By the way, you recently asked me for a one with JavaScript, all right? So all you can do is go to this link, horror dash card dash game dot netlify dot app. This game is totally made with JavaScript, and like you have a timer in this. So that's the one I told you. I think I'll send the link over here, https colon slash slash horror dash car dash game dot netlify dot app. And use this link actually. Let's continue. So the name variable has been made, and I'm going to set the name variable immediately. Name. Where are you? Name. Yep. Cat. So just make sure about one thing that the all the name and those stuff should be like same for the whole for both the pairs. Cause like if it's not, then there are problems. Okay, let's script it. That's done. That done. This done. That done. That done. Okay, so Apple has a name. Delete. Okay. So name. Okay. So you know what? It's kind of difficult to believe this, but yes, actually, name. Let's delete this variable. Delete two uses. Yes, sure. Make variable. I'll again call this name. Okay, cancel. Come on. Name. And this is only for this sprite, and let's continue. Okay, you should make the timer time a bit less. Wow, the mixer match is amazing. I mean, thanks for you in the mixer match. Make the time a bit less. It will take some time, Shreyas. I'll do it for sure, but 100 seconds should be enough according to me. Okay, thanks. Hundreds a bit too much. Fine. Okay, 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 okay. Thanks for the comment, Poke Gamers Point. I really appreciate it. Okay, Shreyas, I just have a question. You said you'll stream at 3:30 to upload a video on our paired channel, which is Codestics. So did you do it? I was busy with this stream, so we have a name. Wait, what? Actually, Apple to banana. Okay, name's visible in that. Apple. So now over here we are going to set our name. Now, yeah, our name to cat. Cat variable still there. Just get out of here. And the name. No, not stream, just video. Did you upload it or not? Here the name is cat. Alright. Now come to the Apple. New variable name. Come on, why do I always forget that? Name for the sprite only. You know what? I'll just do this thing immediately. Name. Okay. Name for Apple 2 also. Banana. Okay, the name's already there for banana. Bat. Name. Oh, come on, I cancelled it by mistake. Name. Name for the sprite only. Trying to do this as quickly as possible, okay? Now what? Is the face up for that? Ah, correct. Butterfly has a name. Butterfly 2 doesn't, sadly. I was trying to make it at 3:30 but couldn't find a screen record. Okay, Shreyas, call me after this video. I'll tell you what to do. Name. Okay, Butterfly 2 has a name. Again, another name variable. Okay, Earth also has a name. Mother Earth, haha, name. Ah, I'm tired of names. Quick, quick, quick. Name. I don't want this to go like yesterday, 2 hours. This project should ideally be taking hardly half an hour. Mm, No, no cloud variable, sorry. Yeah. So, and everything, now it's our duty to hide every variable. Okay. Comments are empty, I guess, now. Now that's one sad news for me. Okay. So, Earth also. Come on, guys, fill the comments. Why are you so shy? Butterfly done. Now it's time to complete the bat. Another bat. Okay. Um, then banana. Okay, so it's only the apples. Add name. Okay, and now we are going to set our name in the starting only. Nope, no, 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 yeah, yeah. To apple. When am I going to end your stream? Come on, Rajat. It's ridiculous. Last time also you asked the same thing because you only want to play Stumble guys. Like literally. And just keep on doing the same stupid thing for everything. So script. Yeah, that only. And this and that and that and that. Too much this and that. Okay. So now I think we need to do it for the bat. Set name. We can like name to bat. Yeah, Rajat, if you keep asking like when I will end my stream continuously, I have to forcefully block you because it's not something I like. Set name to bat. Okay, like this is just shortcuts. You guys can do whatever you want with this. You guys are even free to add your own sprites and all your stuff like fill even this gap over here. Like we are almost done with more than half of the thing and like literally. Okay, bat 2 is done right here. Now over here we are going to set the name to butterfly and okay, name butterfly. Flip this over here. There, that, that, that. Okay, I'm really getting bored now only with this scripting part. Butterfly. Okay, get this over here, get this there, get that here, get that there, get that here. Also, I don't think there's going to be a stream for around the next 3 or 4 days, or even possibly a week. Okay, script, script, script. Come on, too much of scripts. Say this. Okay. Oh, over here we're going to again set the name to Earth. You know what? I really want to do one thing, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Okay, the last one turn all face. Okay, done that, and at last this. Okay, so we are a few sprites away. So over here, set the name to ghost, and add all the scripts over here. Uh, Ghost to set name to again ghost. Come on. So we'll again go to add the scripts. Okay, according to me, all these live streams are taking time, but when I like record all the stuff and upload it, it's very short. So I think the next video will be recorded, not like live streamed. That's one thing. Lightning. I'm really tired of all this now. Set the name to lightning. Oh, even I play Stumble guys. Nice poor gamers point. Come on. Come on, guys, join our Discord channel, and like I think we'll soon add a gaming channel to that also, where all of us can play games together. Set name to lighting. What's your username in Stumble Guys Poke Gamers Point? Please let us know. Okay, after that we are setting this to strawberry. Mm, Strawberry. Nice. Then name over here to strawberry once again. Again this whole script. Yep. So I think it's ready now, and there's only one way to find out, right? Wha- What's that? Oh, okay. That's very weird. Hmm. That's the cat name of the cat. This is again cat 2. Okay, let's just change these two again. Um, so I think there's some kind of a problem over here. Apple 2. Okay, Apple is set to 0. Weird. Name. Now it's Apple and Apple 2. Set name to Apple. Okay. Ha. Okay, it's hmm. So I think I'm going to end this video over here. You guys you guys can actually view this thing and actually remix it or download it to your systems and enjoy this. I don't know what's wrong with the last time I did this code, it was working fine, totally fine. Okay, so I'm stopping this video over here only, guys. It's becoming ridiculous now. Just be sure to join our Discord server with the link in the description. Wait, is the link in the description? Yep, it is. So be sure to join it with the link over here. Come on, guys. We like actually need more like people over here, because let's make this the best developer community. So only we both are active, and we have totally 7 members. Come on, only 7. Why? Come on, more. Okay, so we have got 6 likes, and I'm very happy for that right now. 4 watchers. Come on. Okay, guys. This is the actual link we'll be building right now. You can like actually remix this. Let me just get on this with my other account. Okay, Rajat, this is your account. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, Rajat, but this is actually your account. Uh, okay. So after this I'm doing this over here, and let's just remix the project and all goes good, and it has been remixed successfully, guys, and that's it. That's it, guys, and that's the fun part, which is like Yuk Shikhar. Okay, this is with the Rajat Shikhar right now. Yuk Shikhar. Yep, that's good. Yeah. So now I'm just going to go into this project and like anyways. So I'm stopping this video right now, and like thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, Iron Slash has come active. So Poke Gamers Point. Hi. Reply, please. No, that sound once again. I hear that sound. Is it somewhere here? Okay, never mind. Now I think we'll chat later, guys, and all those stuff. If you want to chat with us, be sure to come on our Discord community. Thanks. Bye. See you later. Stream ends in three, two, one.